A fashion fest was recently held in Guwahati to promote handloom traditions of the Northeast, especially for the national and international market. We have a report.
Bollywood actress Soha Ali Khan walked the ramp in Guwahati in designer Sunita Shankar's creations. The designer made innovative use of Assam silk with traditional motifs in silhouettes.
किलिंग बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है और हिस्सा है हिंदुस्तान का, और ये जो मकसद है नॉर्थ ईस्ट फैशन फेस्टिवल और नॉर्थ ईस्ट फेस्टिवल, मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि एक तरफ से इस खूबसूरत देश को जोड़ने का, जो अलग अलग हिस्से हैं इस देश के, जो अलग अलग स्टेट्स हैं, तो लोगों को जानकारी मिलनी चाहिए कि यहाँ पे किस टाइप के ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट्स क्राफ्ट्स होते हैं.
The fashion show was part of the 3-day-long Northeast Fest that was inaugurated by Assam's Textile Minister, Prad Khan. It was organized by the Ministry of Handloom and Textile of Assam in association with Basics. The fest included open studios and weaving workshops, lectures, forums and floor talks, exhibition of fashion and lifestyle products and other cultural programs.
मुझे लगता है हमारा जो ये एथनिक ट्रेडिशनल हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट है, सबका मतलब एक्सपोजिंग होगा, not only in the country, out of the world also.
We have a lot of cultural participation happening from all various, tribal groups. So those will be showcased at the main menu. Then we have, the weaver section who has come down, who are exhibiting their, collections, whatever they have produced so far. Then we have, Apwa who's done it. So Northeast Festival is a part of, the music, the food, the culture and the fashion.
Assam's handloom industry is silk oriented. 4 varieties of silkworms and their host plants, mulberry, eri, muga and oak tassel are popular and important for economic and commercial purposes. Such festivals provide an opportunity to the local designers and weavers to showcase their products on a big platform and reach out to more people.